Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news ki khubor bam ta kasngi Umantri rangba ka jila Meghalaya u Conrad ki sangma ula IT ka bha baningkong shiklur tingka hapo ka Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy MHAP show Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jowai Baro ka jingera bala Aisha ka hospital kalong arklur tingka ya ka shiklur tingka ka basa on pelat on dala IT ka kot jing pendon kam na ka benta ka sin ka beningkong Hapo ka ka scheme la ai pisa shi phoklur tingka shaki pratli ki hospital bamdan jing mentoy Abakran hagani kasni umintri rangba gajalla ulapan skambiang ya kajing trailang jangka sarkar kabla slembha bat ki hospital mission. Kane kamdei kajingne kabatang shisin re kadi kajing sedang jangka jing trailang kabane. Kaskim kalong kabala ban pen kala ki jaka puli kila ban rai ke kabadon kam kerkietam bat pendon kam ya kapisa. Ya kani kajing lang la penya du Reverend Eslamari ubala penpau ya kajing sngongu ya kajing kershan bat panjing yarap kabapeteng na kabenta kajing tei bat kajing hikainas. U Dr. Dinong Plu ubalong medical superintendent ula banjur ya kajing don kam kerki bandon ya kajaka sumar snido renal dialysis unit. Da kabakdo ya kajing kiu jung kajing pang bom sapriang. Menteri Rangba ula penaru ya kajing temu ban pelong ya kajing yalang jengka kot kakya aga kerdan jengka jela ban penroi ya kajing ya trailang hapring ke sorkar ki jaka mission bakinong shimbenta ha ka kot kakya. Ngidi ban ya syakmat lang ban ya sam jingmut ban pendap ya kajing duna bat ban syakri khambha ula ong. Ula pentibru ba kajing yarap ka babeteng ha ketenat ka kot kakya kentup ya kajing penbor bakarpang ban weng ya kajing yap jengki longkimi ka bejur kala ai jing mentoy da ka bapenduna ya ka MMR palat South Sun Pesen ka bala penhiar ya ka sya kajing ken kelum ha ka ribaro ka we. Kani kajing job kadi ka bala pensyong nongrim shibun ha ki jing tmu kum ka scheme CM Save Motherhood ka bapentikna ya kajing petnya ha ka por ba shisha Yaman la ka kmi ka ba armet ha ka jilla ula penram. Ula pentip ba ka sorkar ka pendon kam da ka teknologi ban buddian bat buddian iki jing khakun ki badan jingma kentup iki jing penbet iki jing ha ka por ba shisha.
And pretty soon you'll start to figure out your part. Everyone takes a piece and there are melodies. Each one of us. Oh, it's glorious. You will know how to let it ring out as you discover who you are. Others around you.
That Meghalaya is the highest spender in the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend 8% of our budget on health. And through that, in the last 7 years, most of the government infrastructure, large investments have been made to improve it. A lot more needs to be done. I'm not saying that we are done, or I'm not saying that we have achieved everything. Absolutely not. It's a very long journey. But we have been able to improve the overall infrastructure at the grassroots level. That Meghalaya has or had the highest maternal mortality rate. We were in 230 plus. For those who don't know what that means 230 deaths per lakh. And the national average in 2018 was 113 when we took over, which means we were double the national average. And at that point in time when I took over, the first question that came to my mind is that this is absolutely not acceptable. A mother is bringing life to this world. And if we have to lose the mother's life while she brings life into this world, I think it's one of the most saddest things. And that's when our journey to fight maternal mortality started. It was a very passionate move, I should say. What you're seeing in front of you right now is the program to save mothers' lives. The CM Safe Motherhood program we started. Friends, this is live. This is on the internet. This is not data that we're just showing you that is in the computer. This is as we speak right now. Just come up to the top part. So what we started doing, okay, you're showing this. I just want to show the active mothers. So this is live. Meghalaya today monitors every single pregnant mother in the state. This is live. And as we speak right now, there are 39,424 pregnant mothers. And we exactly know who is in which trimester.